start recording. Here we go. Okay, as I told you, we're gonna see the buy model and the sell model. But first of all, I'm gonna show you what we learned already. Why? So you have a more idea and can recap all together. Look. Oh, just a second. Running out of batteries as always. Just a minute. So let's see. This is Euro USD that we saw on the weekly. This was our entry. And give me 1 second. They are asking. Okay, this was our entry. So what have we learned so far? Let's say that doesn't count, okay? And we are seeing here on. We're gonna do back testing following week. As you know, I show you what we have, that it's discount and the premium zones, okay? So look, where are we right now? On this range in here, let me go to 15 minutes. On this range, 4 hours, we were on premium. In premium, what you're looking for sales, okay? Now you're in discount, you look for buys. And on all this range, that is our last range, look how the price comes out and retrace what? The equilibrium, okay? To do what? To sell. And now here, there was today's entry, our buys, okay? Was for what? Was for looking for buys. Where it's the take profit. The take profit is on the more near array above the equilibrium. Which one we have? You can plan take profit here, for example, okay? And if you grab all the impulse and you trace your fib, this will give you an easy confirmation. Where is going to be your take profit? On this zone. Okay, the take profit is 61.8, but you're looking for sales where? Here. Okay. Why I'm saying this? Because let's go to a graph. Look, let's mark this week. Okay. I'm not gonna see bigger time frames. I'm gonna show you just this week, so we don't spend a lot of time and we can go ahead with today's class. In this week, what do we have? The price to open. Price open is here. And what do you want to look? You're gonna look for buys under the open price. Which is the open price? You already know. It's 12 o'clock. Here, this is the open price. Okay. Where are you gonna look for buys? You're gonna look for buys under the open price. What do you have in here? Equal lows. I don't like it that much, but you can look for maybe in a bigger time frame. This is a mitigation block that you can look for your buys and go ahead on the buys. Okay. But what happens? Let's see. The price comes. Let's go near. Okay. The price comes. You are at discount. You didn't took that buy. You are not gonna sell on discount. You're gonna wait. Okay. Price comes up, comes back, or the block retrace. You can do what? You can buy here. Where it's gonna be your take profit? Above the equilibrium in a premium zone. Of course, you need to look for confluences in a 4-hour chart to check which is your nearest array. Okay, but you can look for buys. Didn't took that buy, last chance of buying here. If you bought, perfect, you can go ahead. Okay, and then it reaches what? The premium zone. It creates you the higher high. Okay, and now where are you? You're in premium. What are you gonna look for in premium? You're gonna look for sales. What do you have here? Your last order block that you were looking for buys, that it's broken. Broke structure, this is a breaker. And on the retracement, you can look for the cells. Okay, cells to where? Till the equilibrium or the RI, the near RI. 1-3, more the happy, you can close. The price comes back, retrace what? Retrace this order block. Okay, here you can sell again. Until where? Until discount. or the equilibrium. You got to the equilibrium, okay? If you trace your fib, you're gonna see, let me show you. This is only for you to have more notion on how to do it. You trace your fib, what do you have here? You have this order block, where? On the 79, okay? So you're in a discount array, you have your order block, you can do what? You can look for your buys, okay? What's your target? The higher highs. These highs in here, these highs in here. Here you have buy side liquidity. It's not the fib that I want. Here you have your buy side liquidity. Come on. Okay. And now what are you gonna do? If you want to go ahead and buy, you can do it, of course. But where are you gonna buy it right now? No, you're gonna trace your fib and you're gonna buy below the 50%. Of course that this is in session. So if the price comes down and retrace, what do you have below the 50%? You have this block in here. And I like this one here. Okay. You can go ahead and you can buy in here or buy in here. As you see, this order block didn't have a retracement. So right now, where the price is on a premium zone, I'm gonna look for sales, but I know that I'm aiming up. Why? Because the XY is telling me that I'm aiming up. Okay. Look, this is down. So EURUSD needs to go up. What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna wait for the price to retrace back to my zone. Okay. In 4 hours, I don't have nothing. Let's say 1 hour. You have this order block here and you have this rejection and you are above the weekly open. So what I'm waiting for the price come and to buy. Okay. I'm showing you that because we had a lot of entries this week. I don't know if you're taking the entries, you're not. You're just waiting for me. I hope you're trading yourself. Let's see. Weekly on the separator. Let's go to 1 hour. The beginning of the week. Okay. Where's my open? Let's see. 12, my open, weekly open. So only checking this array without going back, because I won't go back all the way right now. So it doesn't take time. Only in this array, you grab your minimum, you grab your maximum, and you define your trading zone. This is my zone. Right now, the price here was where? Was in premium. So what I'm gonna look in premium sales, but I'm gonna sell it. Why? If I'm looking for the buys, this is in a high uptrend. Look. So where is your entry? You mark on your discount zone, your order blocks, more near. Okay. You can mark as well if you prefer your fib. Okay. You have the 70.9 with this order block in here, 70.5, sorry. There you can do an entry. Perfect. You're in. Perfect. Now what happened? It created me a higher high. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab what? This higher high. And if you see, the price came down, retraced to your discount array, to this order block that you have in here, and did what? Went up. Why? Because we're in an uptrend. So once the price makes a retracement, not now, once it does it, I'm gonna mark and where is my entry? Here. Here I have this order block in here. You can trace your fib for another confirmation and still going by. Okay. Do you have any question, any doubts regarding that? No?
No question, no question.
Tell me. Okay, so what we are gonna see today, we're gonna see the sell model and the buy model. Let's see. This is like this. I'm not good drawing, you know that. But what's important for me is for you to understand, not my drawings. Let me check the chat. And you show how the FIB settings for your premium discount. Of course, my FIB settings is it's really simple. 0, 1, 0.5. Below the 0.5, you're in a discount. Above 0.5, you're in a premium. I just did a color there for you to understand better, but that's it. Okay. So let's see. Welcome here to help. So you have like this. It's gonna take a little bit of drawing. You have a consolidation. It broke your minimum, created a turtle soup, and price went up. Here you have another consolidation. Okay, more or less not good drawing. Price went up. Here you have a consolidation and price. Just a second, guys. Sorry for that. And here it comes down, consolidates, and down. Not really good drawing. Sorry for that. But what do we have? This is what we know as a sell model. Okay. This is the sell model. Why is it helpful? Because where it's gonna be your target? Your target is gonna be down of what I call the initial consolidation. You know that the price will go down and take all the buyers that were in here. So what I'm aiming on here, you can divide the graph in two. And in this side, you're gonna look for the black candles. I'm gonna show you on the graph that it's better, okay? Let's see. First of all, one that already passed, let me check. I'm seeing several, but I want this one, for example. This is what you know of your saddle model. So what you need to identify your initial consolidation that did all that up move. Okay. So here I can say I see initial consolidation. So what do you need to do? You need to come, you divide your graph into parts. And what is important? What are you looking for? You're looking for the black candles on this side of the graph. So you have this zone in here. You can do it a little better if you want. You have this zone in here. You're gonna look for all the black candles. This one, I'm gonna put this one on top so it's better for you. And this one, I'll take this one. So what are you looking? As I told you, all the black candles. Once you identify your initial consolidation, you know that your target is gonna go below of it, okay? Once the price retraces below of the initial consolidation, you have what? You have the reversal. So in here, as you can see, you have higher highs, lower lows, making a mess, putting buyers, sellers, everyone in, everyone out of market. Perfect. Here we go. Price goes up, 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 up. It comes to the top, and now it's gonna do what? It's gonna do the retracement till the initial consolidation. Now, the price won't fall all the way down at once. It's gonna go falling, and it's gonna go retesting the levels that we have. Okay, as you can see, here you have your black candle. So the price came down, and here it's like you have, let me see if I have a drawing. Here you have a little man that is saying, hey, you're not gonna go down. First, you need to wait in here, wait the line, let's say it like that, okay? So that means that the price is gonna stop in here and it's gonna do a movement and will give you what? A new entry. So if you're not in that cell, you can enter here. If you see, you have your order block there. Then the price will go down all the way down till where? Till your next level. That is this one here. If you see, the price came, it broke. It broke really hard, okay? But it came all the way up and retraced. Here it's doing what? Everyone is seeing what you have in here. This is Wyckoff people. That's why I don't like Wyckoff. Here you have your order block. So everyone went in really happy. Hey, price retraced down. I'm gonna go in for a long-term buy. Perfect. This is Wyckoff. But what we have in ECT that is different is the sell model. We go below the initial consolidation before we trade the other way around. Okay, so the price, if you see, put all these buyers in, it came up, it retraced those levels. Here you have a fair value gap, you have a breaker, okay, and if you see, it come really hard down and did what? Broke the initial consolidation. After the initial consolidation is broken, you can trace your fib if you want. You can look for your turtle sub. Look, turtle sub levels. And then that's what? That's the retracement up. Look. Okay. This is a sell model. The price comes down the initial consolidation to do the retracement. Let's see if another one. I'm going to show you one that it's not done yet. That is in progress. Let's say it like that. But it's a really good one for you to see. Yep. Weekly, I think it's better. Here. What do you have in here? You have what? Your initial consolidation. Where the price is going to go down? To the initial consolidation. So I cannot look for buys. I just need to look for sells. But you don't have any sell candle. Yes, I do. I'm in a weekly time frame. So if I change time frames, you're going to see it better. This week, it sells. This week, it sells. This week down here, it sells as well. And look, what happens in here? On the sells, you say, hey, you need to stop. So the price comes, okay? Comes down here, you have your first black candle, let's say it like that. Okay? Here, hey, you're gonna stop. In these places is where you need to look for the re-entry. Okay? You're gonna stop. Perfect. It broke, it came down, and in here it's gonna do a retracement. This retracement, as you can see, came to here. Okay? Here you can do what? You can look for yourself. You didn't got it in there, no problem. You have the retrace to the order block down here. You still not in? Okay, you have your action here. You're in the zone that you need to look for sales. Okay, the price broke. Finally, it went down. It gave you what? Another entry in where? In this order block in here. And then now the solder is where? It's saying here, hey, you need to stop in here. So what you need to do? You need to wait. To what? To a retracement. Where's your retracement? It can be up here. The price will come. Let's see if it retraced the open already. Not yet. Okay, the price is gonna come. Here you can plan your next sell and where it's your target. Your target is under the initial consolidation. Which is the initial consolidation? Is this one here. Okay, this is a perfect example because you can see it. Let's see another one. Let's see Bitcoin. Why I'm still holding Bitcoin? Gonna go 5 minutes so I can show you. Let's see if we have less noise. Look. Okay. So here I can see that the price started falling. Okay, so what I do, which is the first initial consolidation I see, is this one in here. So I know that in all the black candles, price is gonna have a retracement, and it's an option for me to get in again to the trade. If I wasn't in, I can go get in. Where's my target? First target under the first initial consolidation I see. But then if I change time frames, look, I can see that this thing here is not my initial consolidation. Which one it is? Look, I have a big, huge consolidation in here that did before the up move. And I have this one here. This one, the price is gonna do. Let's see if we change time frames, if you see it better. Got stuck just a second. Here I have it marked better. Look, which is my first initial consolidation. You can see it. It's in here. What the price did, the same as I showed you in the example. It retraced this order block, putting everyone in. First, here everyone was going in because of the wick. But you guys, you already know that if you have a candle that the wick it's twice the size of the body, the price just will go down and refill that wick. I'm still in this sell. Okay. So my first initial consolidation, which one is? This one here. So price only put everyone in for buys, gave them, I'm gonna go up, woohoo, and it just came retracing here, okay, and did what it's gonna go down. Where? To my initial consolidation. Which one it is? This one in here. Which one is my next that I can say? It's this one in here. So where is gonna be my target? Below the initial consolidation. What do we have in here? We have a fair value gap. This is my fair value gap. So the price, it's a place where I say, okay, I can take partials, but I'm still going down with this. I'm going, really, the truth? I like the price to come up and clear all this consolidation here. I don't know if it's gonna do it, not sure, but you just go take in partials, partials, partials until you close, okay? And now, let me go to the daily. If you trace your fib, look, from this one that is the one that I aim in, that's why I'm not buying Bitcoin, I'm only selling, okay? You trace your fib, and look, FIBO, where are we right now? We're in a premium zone. So where can I start looking for buys? Once I get to my discount. What is the nearest point on the discount is this fair value gap that I already told you. But I'm still waiting for the price to go lower. But if I want to try to look for buys, here is my place where I can start looking for buys. Right now, at the moment, I cannot buy. Why? Because it's expensive. Okay. And also look in the power of three, you know, open, manipulation, expansion, and close. Look last month, open, manipulated, expanded, and close. Look this month, open, manipulated, expanding, and now it's doing what? The close. If this really wants to trace up, it will need to retract until here, at least. For the next month, do a manipulation, and then go up. But if you see it on a monthly, which is the initial consolidation, it's here that it already traced below, and then it's here. But I don't think that it's gonna fall all of that. Kind of hard. No history back, so it's kind of hard to see it. Let's see gold. Initial consolidation. Okay. Price retrace down, down, down. Here you divide into, and where it's gonna be your target. For example, look, you have your initial consolidation that goes to what? This down move, right? So you divide the graph into, you look, as this is a buy model, you're gonna look only for your buy candles, your yellow candles in this case, okay? But where is gonna be your target? Look what easy it is. I don't want to mess up on my analysis, but for you to see. Stop count of what? of my initial consolidation to the way down. The price retraced up to a stop hunt, okay? It created that, and now I'm going down. Where? To my first next initial consolidation. I have it here, CI, where I'm expecting gold to go down to. It's all the way. First initial consolidation is this one, nearest to a price. Equilibrium is here, so on here I'm in a discount zone, which is the most nearest zone that I can look for buys. It's where I have it here below, in this zone here that I think it's a fair value gap or something like that in higher time frames. Okay, but right now, if you see here, you have your equilibrium. Where are you located at? And a premium array. In premium, what you look for sells. Let's see another example. Tell me which pair you want me to see. Look, initial consolidation. Price is going to do what? Retrace down. Till where? To your stop hunts level. So in any moment, this will just retrace up again. Okay. Right now it's in a support. It's clearing this low. So it still has a little bit down to go before all the move down, the move up. Tell me which pair you want me to check. This happens in all of them. Euro GBP, initial consolidation. We are on a discount array, so we need to wait. If you want to sell, you need to wait. Why? What? The price retrace up and go down. Now we're in a discount array. Let me grab my fib. I need to close. That was the buy I sent. Look where we are. We're in our stop hunts. Okay. What do we have here in our stop hunts? This candle here. That this is the buy that I shared with you this week. This candle here. Now look how it's retracing. So now, how I know if I'm gonna go up? I need to wait for what? For my swing low. Once swing low is confirmed, I can go ahead and look for buys. Or a break market structure in lower time frames that I still don't have it. But once I have that, I can go for the buys. Guys, any question, any doubt? No? Okay. So I want you, let me see the chat. Just a second. Where are you? EuroCAD, of course. Let's see an example in EuroCAD. Which is your initial consolidation in EuroCAD? You tell me. Here. This is the consolidation that it goes the up move. Where the price is gonna retrace? Black candle. Where is the price gonna retrace? Black candle. Maybe a retrace here to this reaction on monthly to come up and then go down. Where it's your target? It's here. Which zone are you located at the moment? You are almost in the equilibrium. So if the price retrace down to there, to that reaction, or to here, okay, you can look for your buys. Why? Because you're in a discount array, but the best is for you to wait to a retracement up and to sell. Why? Because this is gonna come down all the way to here. And how many pips from where it is now the sell? 1,000 pips. But first needs to do a retracement on maybe 200 pips. But still on a premium. So if you want to trade in 15 minutes, for example, look, you are consolidating, price should come up. You have all this fair value gap in here, a liquidity point, sorry. Let's trace our fib. 70.9 here. In here, you can sell it. Until where? Until it gets to the equilibrium. It still has down to go. Let's see, monthly. I won't even see my entry on a monthly time base, but it's gonna be something like 250 pips down before the retracement and before to go into the 1,000 pips. Why? Because this is your initial consolidation. Okay. Guys, send me an example, please, of a buy model and a sell model. Okay. More questions above. Gracias, Noel. Obrigada. How to recognize that the model has changed from sell to buy? Because you're gonna see it here. You just trace it in the middle. And here you have a change in the model. Let's see another one. Here, when you see a retracement down, you know that the model has changed. You just, how you know that is your initial consolidation? Because it's the initial consolidation above the up move. For example, Bitcoin. Look, in this one, I got confused. Why? Because I could say that this one it is my initial consolidation. So it's not that I got confused, it's that this is your initial consolidation. What happens? When it breaks, you take partials and then you change time frames and you go back and you look for the rest of the initial consolidation. Where did the price consolidate before going fast up? For example, you can see it in here. You have another consolidation before the up move. Then if you want to look for another one, you have another one in here, and so on. So your first target is going to be down that consolidation. Once it reaches, you take partials and you look where are you, or you can look on bigger time frames. In bigger time frames, the consolidation marked is what? It's nothing. Which is the initial consolidation? It's this one in here. How you know that now it's going down? Because you see a clear retracement in here. So in all the black candles, this is gonna just be a little bit of consolidating and still going down. Let me see above. Can you show the fib? Okay, that one already read. So even if the bigger time frame is at the sell model, in a lower we can buy, and let's in a lower you can buy. If you are in a discount zone, you can buy, but you know that the big move is gonna be the sell if you're in a sell model. And this of the buy model and sell model, as I told you, the market is fractal. You're gonna see it in every week, in every time frame. Let's see. Look, which is the initial consolidation that created this down move? This one, where the price should go up, clear this side. Simple. In 50 minutes. Which is the initial consolidation that generated this down move? It was really fast, so I can say that the initial consolidation was here. Price should retrace up. Which was the initial consolidation that created this up move in 50 minutes, right? This one. Price should go where? Down of that consolidation. Look here, which is the initial consolidation? This one. The price didn't come down, but it should go down. Look, it came and it cleared. And like that, so on. You can look for buys in here, of course, but you know that your target is below. So it's up to you if you want to wait or if you want just to look for short buys or short sells. Any other question, guys? Okay, in that case, please send an example because I need to be sure that you understand this. Send an example of buy model, a sell model, and I want you to send the graphs marks if you're in premium, if you're discount, where are your entry points, and if possible, try to share your analysis so I can see it. Okay, time frame that you want now. Just remember that I told you to trade only 2 pairs, so it needs to be one of those 2 pairs. Okay? Any time frame. I just want to see if you got your eye marked. Okay? Which one is stronger? Of course, bigger time frames are stronger. Bigger time frames are the one that tells you. See an example. See? Here's a bigger time frame, daily. Initial consolidation, fast move to a stop hunt level maybe. It broke a bit, but stop hunt. Okay? It did what? It came down all the way to initial consolidation, where it stopped on the black candle stopped. Okay? Went all the way down. Here, it's the turtle subgraded. Look, here's the turtle subgraded to do what? To do a retracement. And what type of retracement? But which was the initial consolidation here? If you find that in a bigger time frame, what happens? A bigger move will happen. Simple as that. Initial consolidation here, look. Price consolidating before a strong move. What the price did, came up, retraced above the initial consolidation, and dropped really hard. Initial consolidation before that move, price retraced down and move up. Okay? So time is almost over. Send examples, guys, please. And if you're trading, send your entries so we can see what you're doing wrong, what you're doing right, and we can make the trading better, okay? Have a nice afternoon. Bye-bye.